as long as the materials are concerned. Different materials have different properties. You can have a material made of, say, atoms of type A. You can have a material made of the atoms of type B, and so on. And since the moment we subject these materials to an external, I may call it a disturbance, the material has a response. It responds. Now that response tells us that what are the plausible properties of the particular material. And the simplest example is classifying materials based on conductivity. You can classify materials based on magnetism, the magnetic properties. You can classify materials based on hardness, mechanical strength. You can differentiate materials based on any other physical quantity. So it's the response of the material that makes us realize that what could be the plausible implications of the material. Now, if I take a simple case, assuming that we have solids, and broadly what we can say is that solids can be classified into three categories. You can have based on their electrical properties. You can have solids which are electrically conductive, which you call as conductors. You can have solids that are not conducting at all, even if the potential difference across that solid is extremely large. And you can have solids whose conductivities can be between the conductors and insulators. So classical physics tells us that why some of the materials are conductors and why some other materials are insulators. And we have